Hey, what's up everyone? We are back. We've been on a hiatus for a while, probably almost 10 days to 2 weeks. We've had a lot of stuff going on. Yes, you see a skid steer behind me, but I want to get into why we haven't posted a video in a while. Our neighbor Larry that lives down our easement, he passed away about 2 weeks ago due to complications of the C word. Now, I'm not going to get into it. I don't want nothing political said about it. Larry was a great friend, a great neighbor, and he was a Vietnam vet. He drove a chopper in the war, saved a bunch of soldiers, and he received, I want to say, the Purple Heart and Medal of Honor, I think. He'll be buried at Arlington National Cemetery in 11 months. So Jen and I, we've been taking care of his wife. That was his last words to me when he was in the hospital, one day before he went on a ventilator. It's been eating me up, to be honest with you. In her life, she suffered a couple strokes. She has some other health issues as well. I'm not going to go into detail. So we kind of put stuff on hold here on the farm to help take care of her. For someone's last words to me was, "Please take care of my wife while I'm in the hospital." And then a month later, he passes away. It's time for us to get back into the swing of things. I know that's what Larry would want of us. And Larry would do anything for anyone, no matter if it's 2 in the morning, 7 in the morning, it didn't matter to him. He had a big heart. So his wife, they still have some feral cats, and she has 2 dogs. So right here we got 10 bags of dog food and 10 bags of cat food. I'm gonna take up to her today. I go up to her house 2 to 3 times a day to check on her, to do stuff for her. Make sure the wood stove is operating well, make sure she's warm. So I figure I owed it to you guys to let you know what's going on. And I apologize for not posting videos here lately. So I'm going to dedicate this video to Larry. He'll be missed. So I know you're asking, have I ever driven a skid steer? Does Scott know how to operate a skid steer? No, I don't. I have never driven a skid steer. I don't know how to operate it. I don't know how to start it. In fact, I just learned how to put diesel in it. YouTube's a great thing, right? So I watched a YouTube video that was quite helpful. I toyed around with it a bit. I think I can get it done. It looks pretty simple. I walked the pastures yesterday, and there are a lot of pig wallows. Now let's go have some fun. So we got paddock number 1 rotated. The new flock is on a fresh salad bar. All right, girls, we got to hook up the Energizer, and it's on the paddock number 2. Good morning. Paddock number 2 rotated. So that's all good. They're happy. Fresh salad bar. There is some green grass. But they got apples. Happy chickens. Now I know these 2 bars go down for my safety. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. So we're out here in the pasture. This was the last paddock our Mangalitzes were in before we sold them. As you can see right here, there's a big mound that they created. We got some wallows right here. Another wallow right here. Down there next to our garden, there's some areas where the piglets created just some small wallows. All right, let's get to work. Not bad for a rookie. It's definitely better than what it was. Really, for someone who hasn't ran a skid steer before, I think I'm doing pretty good. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know how I'm doing. So we're on our way up to Larry's wife's house. We're gonna drop all of the cat and dog food boxes. So I appreciate all of you tuning in, watching this vlog. Yes, we are back. We haven't gone anywhere. Like I said, we've just had a lot of stuff going on. And you know, it's tough. It really is. If you're new to the channel, trust me, we got much better content than this. We have a lot coming down the pipe. I'm gonna be making raised beds out of cedar from scratch. Yes, from trees. I'm gonna be cutting some cedar trees down and making raised beds. I gotta build a greenhouse. That still has to be done. I'm way behind on that. Still need to use this. So much going on. So much. In fact, we're going to be doing our seed order tonight. Yes, we're behind on that too. But that's okay. It is what it is. You know, we've just had so much going on. With me being quarantined for 2 weeks in December. Our good friend and neighbor passing away. Us taking care of his wife. She's such a sweetheart. She really is. There's only more we can do for her, you know. But, you know, she has us, and she's thankful for that, and we're thankful for her. And we're thankful to have her as a friend and a neighbor. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and God bless. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.